Welcome. In front of me is a Redmi 12C, and today I'll show you how you can enable and also set up your Do Not Disturb mode. Now to get started, simply pull down your notifications and extend it by swiping down once more. This will then show you all the toggles that you have access to, and hopefully one of those toggles will be the Do Not Disturb mode. Now if it's not on the first page, it could be on the second one, as it is for me, but you can see it right over here. Now it's not named fully as Do Not Disturb mode, it is shortened to D&D. Now once you see this toggle, you can hold it first time around, and this will take you to the settings, where you can then quickly set it up. So just swipe down, and here we have the Do Not Disturb. You can tap on it, and then in here you'll find all the settings. So we have just a toggle to turn it on and off. We have when the device is locked, notify about colors, and then notify about repeated colors, which, if enabled, bypasses this option right here. And then schedule. If you're planning to use a schedule, just set it up in here. So I'm just going to create a whatever one. There we go. And make sure it is toggled on in here, and that's all you would need to do. But for everybody else who wants to use this mode manually, once you set it up, find the toggle, tap on it. As you can see, it will enable, and there you go, it's now on. Now, one more thing to mention is once you manually enable it, you'll also need to remember to turn it off. Otherwise, it will be running indefinitely in the background. And probably that is not something that you want to have always enabled. So to turn it off, simply tap on the toggle once more. Now, with this being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.